Hi everybody, my name is Anna. Please go check out my first video. It had all my information on how to look for me on Facebook and Twitter, so make sure you go check that out. I'm gonna sing another song it's a Christian song. It's by FSH. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's how the group name. It's called On My Cross. It's a Christian song, so I'm gonna go ahead and sing it. I love this song. Hello, it's your love, and you twist your arms and go around the world. Why for me? He saved the cry he heard. I don't know why you left, what's the way to go. I don't know why you love me so. Those were my nails, was my crown, pierce your hands. The ground was my scars, were my thorns, where my tears fell down. Just as you said it would be, you did it all for me. After you counted the cost, you took my shame, my blame on my cross. How I deep is your grace? It surged to my knees, and you choose to take my place. Every night for me, I hear you say, Father, no, forgive them, for they know not what they do. I will go, 'cause I love him so. When my veils with my crown pierce your hands, the ground was my thorns, with my scars, when my tears fell down, and just as you say it would be, you did it all for me. After you counted the cross, you took my shame, my blame on my cross. Mm-hmm. Were my nails, were my town, pierce your hands, the ground was my thorns, was my scars, were my tears fell down. It just as you say it would be. You did it all for me. After you counted the cross, was my chain, my blame on my cross. Thank you for listening. This is Ford video.